To transfer XRP from Crypto.com to Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. Click on the search icon at the top of the screen. Type XRP in the search bar and select it from the search results. This will take you to a page displaying the current pricing of XRP. Scroll down to find the Send and Receive options, and click on the Receive button to obtain your XRP wallet address. Click the Copy Address button to copy the address. Next, open the Crypto.com app. Log into your account and click on the Accounts option at the bottom of the screen. This will open a window showing your total account balance. Click on the Crypto Wallet option under the Wallet section, which will list all the cryptocurrencies in your wallet. Select XRP and click on the Transfer button. Then choose the Withdraw option. Select the External Wallet option. Then click on the Add Wallet Address link. Ensure the network is set to XRP. Paste the wallet address copied from Robinhood and select the wallet type. You can also add a destination tag if required. Scroll down. Enter a wallet name, e.g., Robinhood, and click the Add button. Once the wallet address is added, click the Withdraw button next to the address. Then confirm and withdraw. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and click the Withdraw button. Following these steps will transfer your XRP from Crypto.com to Robinhood.